Ever wonder what it's like to snorkel with sharks, completely uncaged? We got up close with these incredible creatures, guided by the amazing team at One Ocean Diving. Ready to dive in? Let's go! We got up super early for this 7 a.m. dive and made the hour-long drive from Waikiki to Halawa Harbor to meet up with the One Ocean Diving team. One Ocean Diving isn't just about swimming with sharks, it's about changing the way we see them. They're all about conservation, education, and getting people to appreciate sharks for what they really are. Once we were all aboard, the team gave us a safety briefing and told us about the types of sharks we'd be seeing. They also debunked common myths about sharks.
Tiger sharks are just a lot more cautious of a species. They do require some more confidence to come in and hang out with us. Then Hawaii's home to over 40 species of sharks. We have white tip, black tip, silky sharks, blue sharks. Sometimes we're even visited by a whale shark or a great white shark. But we say we've won the shark lottery if we see either of these two. But now diving a little bit more into the safety. Sharks actually have really great eyesight. Some even have better eyesight than humans. And then when we're in the water today, what do you do if a shark approaches you? So if a shark does decide to swim, come up, say hi to you guys. All you want to do is face that shark, make eye contact with it, and then extend your fins towards that shark. When we're taking our dives today, really important to be aware of the shark's social hierarchy. Some more dominant sharks like to hang out near the surface, so when we're in the water, we obviously want to be viewed as the most dominant, right? So always going to stay above those sharks. And then sharks have a really cool sense called the embryolea lorenzini. This allows them to detect electric currents. So things like smartwatches, GoPros, our engines, even your heartbeat, your muscles contracting. Sharks can actually sense all of those things with little gel-filled pores that are all over the front part of their head. Which is why if you guys have any smartwatches on today, we just ask you to take them off before you get in the water. And if you have a GoPro, we just want to make sure that it's on a pole. And then just being very aware of your surroundings. Are you excited?
The boat ride was amazing. The views were stunning, but it was a pretty bumpy day, and Kevin ended up feeling a little seasick.
Just feel like a roller coaster.
Here's something I found interesting. Sharks are drawn to bright colors, especially white and yellow. So, of course, I had a bright yellow GoPro stick and Kevin had yellow fins. Not exactly ideal. Luckily, the team let us borrow some neutral colored gears. Once we had our snorkels and fins on, it was time to go into the water. We hopped in one by one and held onto a rope along the side of the boat the whole time. The water was chilly but insanely clear. The second we got in the water, there were sharks everywhere right beneath us. It was so wild to see. One by one, the staff pulled us out to free dive closer to them. They also took amazing video footage of the experience. So how do they attract the sharks? If your answer is food, then you're wrong. It's the sound of the boat engine starting up. Frequency vibrations mimic the sounds of struggling prey or other marine activity, which naturally sparks their curiosity. The whole experience felt unreal. You also quickly realize that the sharks aren't aggressive at all. They're just cruising past, curious but totally chill. It's surprisingly peaceful, almost meditative. One of the best parts of this experience is how much you learn. Sharks play a crucial role in keeping the ocean's ecosystem healthy by controlling fish populations and remove the weak or sick. One Ocean Diving also uses these tours to support shark research and educate people on the importance of protecting these animals. One thing I prayed wouldn't happen on this trip was getting stung by a jellyfish. But, of course, it still happened, and it hurt so bad. Despite the jellyfish sting, this was hands down one of the most incredible experiences of my life. We've scuba dived with sharks before in Belize, but this was on another level. Seeing hundreds of sharks all around us was absolutely breathtaking.
But we need sharks. Without them, the oceans would be able to regulate 70% of the oxygen that we breathe. But 100 million, that's how many sharks are killed per year by humans. Just in that time you guys were in the water with us right now, a little over 22,000 sharks were just killed. And the number one cause is finning, right? Shark fin soup. And then back to commercial fishing, guys. Bycatch. For every one target individual species they catch 9 to 12 other species as bycatch during commercial long lining and drag netting. And that includes sea turtles, seals, dolphins, whales, sharks, of course. The list goes on. But there's always things we can do, guys, and it isn't about perfection. It is about progress. And that's just making more sustainable choices in seafood consumption. Or not eat it at all. But if you guys do eat seafood, try and locally source you guys' seafood, alright? Don't go to your big supermarkets to source your seafood unless it says sustainably caught. Thank you guys for coming out with us today. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves as much as we enjoyed having you guys on the boat.
Let's check out those legs.
I'm the only one not stung by that jellyfish. Did not expect that. I mean, I'd say it for a while after I got stung. I guess that's why it's got worse. Because I just stay. Anyway, it's not that bad. It was fun. If you're ever in Oahu, I can't recommend One Ocean diving enough. It's not just an adventure, it's a lesson in respect and conservation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures. Check the description for a link to book your own shark snorkeling experience with One Ocean Diving.